Alam niyo ba magkano yung winidraw niya sa forex trading?
132,000!
132,000 in 1 week.
1 week.
Ayan. So guys, yan yung kinita niya sa economy plus forex trading. Ayan. So guys, kung gusto niyo kumita ng ganyan, of course, you have to join this economy. Mag-message na kayo sa TikTok ko or sa Facebook or sa Instagram account ko. So see you guys!
Bye!
Once you learn about economy, you'll never get broke. When I started with economy, I was financially struggling. So I was really praying for an opportunity to come. And God really gives or answers through opportunities. One day, during my birthday, one of my friends came, and he was actually from economy. And he was able to explain, okay, what economy is all about. And that actually hits me. And on that day, I decided to sign up. From there, I got really interested in learning about forex trading. And when I started to earn from the financial markets, I'm very excited because it became a lifestyle. Like when I need to go to the coffee shop, I just trade for $10 and I have money. And if I need to go to the groceries, I just trade a certain amount and then I have money for my groceries. So, economy can actually be very life-changing. I would always tell to the people that I talk to that once you learn about economy, you'll never get broke. So, I hope that more Filipinos will be able to experience the services and the products that we offer here in our company.
Always so happy. What's your secret?
I'm earning. Kapag ini-introduce ko yung economy, sobrang excited ako kasi dito ko lang na-experience yung mga Manara, meron tayong copy trades. Copy mo lang, sabihin na natin 1 to 2 minutes, kikita ka na agad ng $10 to $20. But here in the Philippines, before mo ma-earn yung mga 500 to 1,000 pesos, you have to work hard like 8 to 10 hours. Nakakalungkot siya kasi marami pa ring Pinoy na hindi alam na may ganitong klase ng opportunity. So right now, actually one of my vision is malaman nila yung mga Pinoy dito kasi kami yung isa sa nangangailangan kasi we're living in a third world country. So ito yung gusto kong matransfer sa kanila na merong ganitong klaseng opportunity na hindi puro pera-pera lang. Pero ito talagang babaguhin yung buhay mo.
Hello everyone, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, happy time zone sa ating lahat. Ayan. Alright, just a survey guys. Just a survey, okay lang ba? You can comment kung saan ka na country nanonood ngayon. Okay. UAE, there you go. Thank you Sydney, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia. Wow, overwhelming ha, napakadami natin tonight. There you go. Canada, Sharjah. Daming Canada dito. Hong Kong, there you go. UAE din marami ha. Saudi Arabia. Thank you. Thank you sa mga nagko-comment. Maraming salamat po. And tonight guys, pag-uusapan natin is about forex trading and how you can maximize your cell phones and earn dollars as a side hustle through forex trading. Okay? Alam ko marami kayong iniisip right now, ano ba tong webinar na to? What is forex trading? How can I use my phone, my laptop and earn dollars? Masasagot yan lahat tonight. Okay? Ang suggestion ko lang, please stay until the end. We will make sure na itong oras na to na andito ka ngayon, it's gonna be valuable. Yung oras mo, hindi masasayang yan kasi tonight marami kang matututunan. Question, are you excited to learn more about Forex trading? And guess what, guys? We will also share later on a strategy in Forex trading wherein you can earn even if you just do it at least 10 to 15 minutes in a day. Are you excited? Comment naman number 1 if you're excited. Can you comment number 1? Thank you. Ayan, maraming mga nag-comment na. Alright. So guys, before I proceed sa pag-uusapan natin, may 3 favor lang ako sa inyo. Okay lang ba yon? Number 1, just keep your minds open. Alam ko, possibly may mga different experiences tayo na somehow hindi na natin maalis sa isip natin. Pero isa lang yung favor ko sa'yo. Just keep your mind open right now. Kasi parang yung utak natin, yung buhay natin, it's like a palm of the hand. If close yung utak natin ngayon, kahit anong blessings, kahit anong values, kahit anong learnings yung ibigay namin sa inyo, at the end of the day, hindi magsisink in sa inyo or sa atin kasi nga close na yung utak natin. Okay? But of course, I'd like to congratulate those people who come in here na very open and hungry for learnings. Kasi yun yung hinahanap natin dito. Yung gusto pang matuto, yung gustong dig deep pa kung ano ba ang katotohanan with regards to Forex trading. So just keep your minds open. Okay? Second, okay lang ba yung focus yung muna is sa akin lang muna ngayon? I believe so na you're here, you wanted to learn, no? So, saka na muna yung mga distractions, all right? And last but not the least, okay lang ba you pray with me, no? Para at least yung event natin will be a success for tonight, okay? So, let's put ourselves in the most holy presence of the Lord. Lord, Heavenly Father, God, we just want to praise you. We just want to acknowledge your presence here, God. Maraming salamat po na naging successful and magiging successful yung event namin. Maraming salamat po na nag-provide po kayo ng internet. Maraming salamat po sa electricity, God, na hindi nag-brown out. Lord, maraming salamat sa time na binigay ng mga taong andito, Lord. Bless them, Lord. You know their hearts, you know their situations, God, whatever it is, God. Lord, make this event, make all the learnings that they have right now, be a blessing to them and to their family as well. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. All right. So guys, again, I'd like to welcome you to our Forex cheat codes, intro and cheat codes. I'd like to also introduce myself, no? Okay, yan. Kita ba yung slide ko? All right. So, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm MJ Canoy. I'm 31 years old from Iligan City. I graduated sa MSU IIT. I'm an IT professional as well. And 10 years na din po ako sa distribution business. Sino dito mga taga Mindanao, no? I believe you're familiar with MSU IIT. Alright? And may mga andito ba na nagnenegosyo na din for quite some time? I believe yung mga andito, you're looking for a breakthrough in your life. And that's something that I've been always looking for. Kaya po, dumiskarte, nagnegosyo. Right now, may rental business din po ako sa Iligan, Cagayan, and CDO. And I've been into the digital business as well for 5 years, no? That is why I'd like to acknowledge our founder sa trading community natin. We have here Coach Nars. Palakpakan naman po natin. Grabe yung support. Nandito talaga sa Zoom. And also, I started my Forex trading journey last 2018. It was somehow, I can say, up and down kasi maraming nangyari. Magulo yung relationship ko with it comes to Forex. Alright? Pero in short, hinahanap-hanap talaga ni Forex. I can say hinahanap-hanap talaga ako ni Forex, no? Kasi nag-meet na naman ulit kami, okay? I think 3 times na nag-on, nag-off, nag-on, nag-off until such time I really decided, sabi ko sa sarili ko, why not I'll give it a try? Kasi for a reason, can you just think about this? Sa lahat ng oras, bakit ikaw yung andito ngayon? Hindi ibang tao. Pwede naman busy ka ngayon eh. Pwede naman may iba kang ginagawa. But can you just imagine you're here listening, maybe you're looking for a breakthrough sa buhay mo, And I hope this is your answered prayer just like mine, no? Kaya I'm really looking forward to share more things later on. And yung energy, yung hunger, yung fire natin na may pagbabago sa buhay natin this 2025, I hope ito na yung spark na hinihintay nyo. And I'm really glad na dati nakinig lang din ako, but right now, ako na mismo yung nag-share sa inyo. Okay? So, guys, this is my family. So, my mother is a public school teacher and my father has been an OFW since I was around 10 years old. So for 20 plus years until now, nasa Saudi Arabia pa din po yung tatay ko. Sila yung motivation ko talaga na I wanna have a life na walang boss because I wanna spend time with them. My brother is an electrical engineer. My soon-to-be wife, no, si Marge is a nurse, no. So sila yung talagang reason kung bakit ako dumidiskarte sa buhay. Alam ko, lahat tayo dito may reason, no? Kung bakit ka, kung para kanino ka bumabangon. And these are the people na talagang reason kung bakit ako nagsusumikap. And because of Forex trading, I'm really, really grateful because it gave me a quality life. When you say quality life, yung tipong wala kang time in, time out, gusto niyo ba yun? Wala kang boss, kahit nasa travel ka or kahit kasama mo yung pamilya mo, kumikita ka pa din. With the special events, kasama mo pa din sila, birthdays, graduation, 'di ba? Christmas. Yun yung pinakagusto ko sa ginagawa ko right now and binibigay ni Forex trading sa buhay ko kasi may freedom ako eh. Who among you here would love to have time freedom? Then later on, financial freedom. Sige nga, sino dito gusto yun? Yung wala kang time in, time out, wala kang boss, nasa bahay ka lang or nasa travel ka lang, pwede ka pa din kumita. There you go. Thank you sa mga nag-comment ng me. Alright. Ayan. I believe so. Kayo na yung next. Okay? Now, bakit ko sinasabi to guys? I want you to understand kung papasok ka sa isang bagay, you need to understand why. Para kanino ba? Para saan ba? 'Di ba? So, ito yung naging foundation ko guys na talagang sabi ko, it has been an on and off journey with me sa Forex trading, but this time I wanna do this for my family. And if you're the person, if you're that person listening to me at ramdam mo yung nararamdaman ko, you know what? This is the start. Yun din yung naramdaman ko nung nakita ko to and sabi ko talaga, pag-iigihan ko to. And if you're that person, finish this Zoom webinar until the end kasi marami akong bonus na i-share sa inyo. Okay? Ayos ba tayo doon? Alright. So, disclaimer lang po, we do not accept any investment here. Okay? Later on, meron akong sasabihin sa inyo where to join na GC later on. Never ever po kami sa community na manghihingi ng pera sa inyo and sasabihin na kami yung mag-i-invest sa pera nyo. That's a big no. That's a big red flag. Okay? Pag may gumawa sa community niyan, you can message us. Okay? But we do not tolerate those because the goal of this webinar is for us to teach you how to trade on your own. For us to share with you and educate you how to trade on your own. Matuto kang mag-forex trading by yourself. Kasi yung pinaka-greatest skill na matututunan natin guys is you learn how. Okay? And bakit ko sinasabi na big no-no yan guys? Sabi ko nga, on and off yung relationship ko with forex trading. Yan din po yung rason kung bakit ako na-scam dati. Sad to say, I'm not sharing this para maawa po kayo sa akin, no? Pero I'm sharing this. Isa sa rason kung bakit most ng Filipinos na scam dahil sa forex trading kasi gusto natin ng madalian, gusto natin ng mabilis, gusto natin agad ng malaki. Ang ending, nawawala na yung pera natin at mas tumatagal pa yung success natin sa buhay kasi dahil dyan. Okay? And take it from me, that was the worst thing that happened to us and even to the point na almost na talaga may mga legal cases na kino-consider. And you don't want that to happen to you. Okay? Sa mga andito, please, wag na po tayong magpaloko para wala na pong maloloko yung mga scammer na andyan. Okay? Again, disclaimer, we do not accept any investment here. Okay? Para kami yung mag-trade sa inyo. Alright? So, guys, we have two parts on this event. First is the basic forex, and second, yung cheat codes na nakatulong din sa akin to jumpstart my forex trading journey. But before that, let me ask you a question, guys. Sino dito wala pang experience sa forex trading? Can you comment number 1? Wala pang experience forex trading. Okay. There you go. Okay. Thank you. Marami pala. How about those people na meron ng experience? Can you comment number 2? Sa may mga experience na po, can you comment number 2 sa chat box natin? Okay. Parang isa lang ata. Anyways, hold on to this, guys. Sa mga may experience na, is it okay with you if we'll adjust muna sa mga baguhan para at least naman mas ma-align din sila, okay? But don't worry, sa mga may idea na later on may good news din po ako sa inyo na mas mga level up trainings for you as well. Okay? So, guys, I have another question. Dami namang question ni Sir MJ. Bear with me, guys. I just wanna make it na parang hindi siya formal talaga yung pag-deliver ko ng webinar tonight. I wanna hear from you as well, okay? Is forex trading risky? What do you think about it? Risky ba si forex sa tingin nyo? Yes, okay. Yes, I agree with you. Forex trading is risky. Totoo yun. Kaya dito, guys, heads up lang, no? This is not for people na hindi risk taker. Okay? Pero I would say, just for an example, no? Marami kasi OFW nakikita ko no? May tanong lang ako, guys. Nung time na nag-decide kayo na maging OFW, just like my father, no? Was there a doubt sa sarili nyo, or was there a question sa puso nyo na safe kaya ako pagpunta ko sa abroad? Ano kayang mangyayari sa akin doon? Marami ba kayong iniisip that time? Nag-iisip din ba kayo na may risk ang pag-a-abroad? Or risky ba ang pag-a-abroad sa tingin nyo? I believe so, it's a risk. Kasi, for example, di mo alam sino yung mga boss mo na nag-aantay sa'yo, okay ba yung ugali nila, di ba? Or safe ba yung area? Makakasalamuha ka ba ng tama sa mga kasama mo? Diba? But remember, you paid for the plane ticket. Sad to say, I'm part of it. Iniwan mo yung pamilya mo just to earn money, 'di ba? May risk. But remember, guys, nung time na nag-decide ka, hindi mo tiningnan ang risk. Yes, may risk reward ratio, but you're looking as well for the reward. Tama ba? Na anong pwedeng matulong na yung pera na kikitain ko sa pag-a-abroad para sa pamilya ko, makakapagpagawa na ako ng bahay, yung anak ko, hindi na ako mag-aalala sa tuition fee, 'di ba? May mga panggamot na sa may sakit sa pamilya, 'di ba? You have to understand, guys, na may risk reward ratio. It's the same thing with forex trading, okay? I know it's risky, but malelesen yung risk kung alam mo paano siya gagawin. And the thing is, mas tataas yung chance na magiging rewarding siya pag alam mo na at may knowledge ka na on how you do it. Agree with me? Alright? So don't worry. Focus ka muna sa possible reward na pwedeng ibigay nito sa'yo. Alam ko may takot ka, alam ko may doubts ka, alam ko may pagdadalawang isip ka, but wait, stop there. Huwag na munang i-continue natin yan on the next mga upcoming minutes. Hayaan mo muna yan. Focus more on the reward this time. Okay? Now, let me continue. Bakit Forex? Okay? Why consider doing Forex trading? Simply because everything is evolving already. Dati, guys, ang Forex, it's just for the rich people. Bakit ko nasabi? Kung meron dito, no, may mga nakilala kasi ako na yung mga OFW, no, ng mga DH, no, na sinasabi nila talaga na nakilala din nila si Forex dahil sa amo nila. Na ginagawa ng mga amo nila is Forex trading. May mga mayayaman din na nagfo-Forex trading, and it's the language of the rich. It's the business of the rich. The good thing is it's accessible for everyone right now, just like me and you. Ang maganda kasi number one, digital business na siya. When you say digital, since may internet na, pwede at kaya na nating gawin kasi may internet na naman tayo ngayon. May cellphone na, may laptop na. Parang ganito, dati walang gusto ng online selling. Walang naniniwala sa pagbebenta-benta online. Pero ngayon, 'di ba? Lahat na nasa online na. Kahit balot binibenta na sa TikTok, 'di ba? Ngayon halos dati ayaw mag-reels, ayaw mag-YouTube, pero ngayon lahat, 'di ba? Sabi, ang effect ng vaccine is naging vlogger na lahat eh. So, right now guys, because of the digitalization that's happening right now, accessible na sa atin si Forex. That is really really nice, no? Na sa atin alam na natin, and it's digital and it's a business. It's a buy and sell of currency business. Second, flexible lifestyle. What do I mean with this? Kung empleyado ka ngayon, you can still do it. We have a certain strategy na kaya mo siyang gawin in just 10 to 15 minutes or at least an hour. Okay? Hindi necessary na tumigil ka sa pagtatrabaho mo, or kung estudyante ka, tumigil ka sa pag-aaral mo para lang mag-trade. No. So flexible ang lifestyle kahit nasa trabaho ka, right after your work, or maybe you're mostly traveling, kahit nasa gala ka, kahit nasa travel, you can still earn out from it. Okay? Wala siyang oras na time in, time out. So very flexible yung lifestyle. Number 3, low startup cost. Okay? Iniisip kasi natin, dapat sobrang yaman mo para matuto ka at kumita ka sa Forex. No, guys. Okay? Later on, pwede ka nga mag-start ng libre. Okay? Share ko sa inyo mamaya kung paano na hindi talaga necessary malaki agad. Okay? Now, pero even if you have a big capital or cost to start, no, we won't suggest you. Useless yung laki ng capital mo to do Forex trading pero wala kang alam. At the end of the day, mauubos din yan. Number 4, high earning potential. Alam nyo guys, may mga kakilala ko dito sa Forex trading community na kumikita ng at least 100,000 minimum in a day. You heard me right. May iba pa nga million. Sobrang laki. Okay? Kaya yun yung exciting part. And last but not the least, no experience needed. Hindi kailangan na sobrang techie ka, hindi kailangan sobrang galing mo sa math. You just need to have the hunger to learn and be willing and be open to learn new things. All right? Now, next. Okay. So, what is Forex trading? Okay? So, Forex, by the way, is the abbreviation of foreign exchange. Para po, mas madali nating maintindihan, it's the buy and sell of currencies. Parang ganito lang, di ba? If you're from the US, you're bringing US dollars with you. Pag dating mo dito sa Pilipinas, hindi mo magagamit yung dollars mo. You need to, kailangan mo i-convert yan, kailangan mong papalitan yan sa foreign exchange. This is the traditional way, guys. Maraming nagtatanong sa akin, paano ba laruin si Forex? Hindi po to gambling si Forex, guys, ha? May mga nag-iisip, ano ba yan? Parang casino lang. No, it's the buy and sell of currencies. Yung mga OFW, yung tatay ko, real, di ba? So, pagpapalitan niya yan, normally, matutuwa yung tatay ko pag mataas yung dollars kasi yung real sa Saudi, mataas din, di ba? Yun yung nangyayari. So, papalitan niya para at least yung magiging Philippine peso. Pero, nanonotice nyo guys, sabi nga, mataas yung palitan, mababa yung palitan because that certain amount of maliit, mababa, and mataas, that's how the money changers or this foreign exchange stalls would earn. So the buy and sell of currencies. Okay? 'Di ba? Can you just imagine dati nasa eto guys, kung 50 pesos yung nakabili ka pa dati ng 50 pesos yung dollars tapos kinip mo. Imagine you have $1,000 right now nasa 58 siguro yung palitan. Imagine nasa 8,000 pesos yung kita mo sa $1,000 mo pa lang. It's the same thing, okay? Now, again, balik tayo. It's the buy and sell of currencies. And right now, it's the largest financial market in the world. And as we speak, that is not 6.7 trillions of dollars anymore. That's around 7.5 trillions of dollars are traded every day. Kasi global po yung market. Every country meron pong currency. Okay? And it's the most liquid business in the world. When you say most liquid, malaki yung maraming pera ang lumalabas at pumapasok. Kaya ito guys, sa tip ko lang, just a tip, the best you can learn tonight is probably hindi ka na masascam sa buong buhay mo. Especially pag sasabihin forex. Kasi maraming magsasabi sa atin, oh mag-invest ka ng ganito, wag i-lock in mo lang yan after 1 month. Tutubo yan ng 20%, 30%, 40%. I don't know how many percent yung sinasabi sa inyo. But guys, sa forex trading, you need to consider dapat regulated yung broker at yung platform. Kasi guys, anytime you can withdraw your money sa forex trading. Kaya it's a red flag when someone says to you na hindi mo na mawi-withdraw yan after 1 week muna kasi kailangan nakalock in. My God. Guys, please take note of that. Para pag narinig mo yan, tumakbo ka na. At palayo, wag mo nang i-consider. Alright? It operates as well 24/5 kasi wala pong weekends. Kanina wala pag may mga holidays. Alright? But for some currencies, meron. Okay? But normally, from Monday to Friday lang po. And good news, again, it's available on any smart devices. All right? And government, central banks, financial institutions, sino ba to sila guys? These are the organizations na allowed mag-trade sa forex market. Okay? The good news is, tayo as individuals, we are called as retail traders. Dati guys, we are not allowed. Yung may mga malalaking funds lang. But right now, good news, allowed na sa atin. Kaya congratulations. Kasi this time, may chance ka na. Okay? Alright. So, balikan ko guys sa, again, buy and sell. Buy and sell of currencies. Palitan ng pera. Now, basically, para lang din siyang buy and sell business ng bigas. Bumili ka at a cheaper price, minibenta mo at a higher price. Okay? But question, MJ, if ever na pababa yung market or mura yung palitan, will I still earn? Diba? If the price goes down, will you still make money? Yes. Kasi nga, dito guys, worldwide to. Hindi yung traditional way na nakasanayan natin. So, in here, you can take advantage of these positions, either the buy position or the sell position. Okay? Pwede kang kumita either sa dalawa. Okay? So, I hope sa lahat ng andito, you take note of this kasi ito yung pinaka-basic, okay, na pag-uusapan natin. Okay? Now, these are the forex major currency pairs. Merong Euro USD, GBP USD, British Pound or US Dollar. Mostly guys, major currency talaga siya pag naka-pair sa US dollars. But meron din kayong maririnig na gold USD or XAU USD. That's on the commodities and meron din po tayo sa mga indices. Alright? So, ito po siya yung mga basic na tinitrade natin. Okay? So, right now, ano ba yung mga other terms na pwede nating i-take note? Take note of this kasi mamaya magtatanong ako sa inyo. Kanina, ano yun? Buy position, sell position. This time, TP and SL, okay? TP means take profit, okay? It's an order that closes your trade once it reaches a certain level of profit, no? So it's an order guys na ilalagay nyo doon, pag maglalagay kayo ng position wherein pag na-hit niya yan, you earned already, okay? Now sa stop loss naman, dito guys, hindi kasi parang sugal si forex trading na pag 100 yung ilagay ko, 100 din yung papanalunin ko. It's by percentage actually, okay? So, meron tayong tinatawag na lot size, mga leverage, ganyan. And ang nakakatulong din para hindi ka matalo ng malaki is what we call this order. Itong order na to na stop loss, okay? Wherein limit siya, or a stop loss is an order used to reduce a trader's loss. So, kahit maglagay ka lang ng TP, maglagay ka lang ng stop loss dyan, tapos magala ka na pagtingin mo, either take profit or stop loss, at least hindi ka na talagang nakatutok sa trade mo. Okay? May mga ganun siya na mga orders. Okay? So, eto guys, I have a question for you right now. Etong trader na to, what do you think did he took during during this trade? Ano yung ginawa niya? Ano yung forecast niya? Is it a buy or is it a sell? Ano yung ginawa niyang forecasting dito sa tingin nyo? Pag pataas, anong mangyayari? Buy. Thank you so much. Alright, so may mga nagko-comment dito, mabasahin ko mamaya ha. Alright, now, buy to. Bakit ko nasabing bakit buy? Dito nakita nyo guys, this is the trader's entry point. Na forecast niya guys, of course, dito guys, etong mga candlesticks na to, etong mga charts na to, later on discuss ko how it works. Pero, eto guys, that means tama yung forecast ni trader. Nag-entry siya at 1.098. Parang ganito lang guys, nag-order siya. Okay? Nag-order siya, sabi niya, order ako at price, tapos buy, no? Tataas to. Eto guys, hindi pa to nakita ng trader by the time he took this trade. Okay? So, ang nangyari dito, inantay niya until such time, etong candlestick na to guys, na-hit niya yung TP1 or take profit 1 or target 1 niya, nag-close to, automatic income na si trader. And as well as the TP2. And eto guys, stop loss, okay? Just in case, guys, just so you know ha, pag may narinig kayo na sinasabi sa inyo sa forex trading na 101% wala pa siyang talo, guys, red flag yun. Kasi bakit? Kung ganun kadali or merong 101%, sana lahat na lang panalo. Kaya nga may stop loss guys kasi we do not know how the market moves. Okay? Hindi mo talaga 101% ma-forecast ng tama, no? Kasi may buy and sell eh. So may maraming buyers, sometimes marami din ang seller. So it depends. Pero because of the charts, malaking tulong na ma-forecast mo siya ng tama. Okay? So tama kayo, it's a buy. And dito naman guys, question, ano yung tinake ng trader dito? It's a sell. Okay? Nag-entry siya dito. Okay? Take profit niya sa baba. Kasi sell, that means fino-forecast niya na bababa yung movement ng market. Dito guys, napansin nyo, pag sa buy or forecast ng buy, ang stop loss nasa baba. Yung take profit nasa taas. Pag sell naman, ang take profit nasa baba, ang stop loss is nasa taas. Okay? So, in this scenario, ng take profit, until take profit to si trader. Okay? So, thank you sa mga nagka-comment. Maraming salamat po sa tulong nyo. Okay. Now, there are types of market analysis. Okay? So, paano ba ina-analyze ng mga traders yung market? We have the sentimental, we have the technical and fundamental. Commonly used, guys, is the technical and fundamental. Okay? But for the mental, basic lang, no? These people or these traders more focused on mga news, okay? Lalo na ngayon, grabe yung tariff wars ni US, ni Canada, ni US, ni China, 'di ba? Tayo apektado din, no? So basically, yung nakikita nyo, eto guys, this is an app or may mga website na automatically magsisend na ng news. Pag nakakakita kayo nito ng mga red, ng mga news, that means it's a high impact news and wag kang sasabay sa trade or wag kang magte-trade sa time na yan kasi guys hindi mo talaga malalaman kung tataas or bababa yung market or baka biglang tumaas at biglang bumaba. Okay? But each news, meron yang impact per country sa economy nila. Kaya affected ang currency, which is related din siya sa Forex kasi nga kung affected yung economy nila, affected din yung amount or yung currency status nila, which is yun yung ginagawa natin sa Forex trading. Alright? Also, with technical analysis, simple lang guys, mostly, pag technical analyst yung nagtitrade, mostly naka-refer siya sa charts and statistics. Okay? So, yung direction sa financial market, when to entry and when to exit. Okay? So, traders who use it will look to find opportunities from changes in price, volume, momentum, and implied volatility. Okay? So, ito yung same ng technical analysis, guys. So, makikita nyo guys later on, pag dig deep kayo sa Forex, may tinatawag tayo na mga bearish or kanina, yung buy and uptrend, downtrend, may mga ganon, okay? May mga breakout, okay? Retest entry, may mga support and resistance zone, okay? Eto, may mga patterns, no, na pag head and shoulders, hindi lang pala shampoo to, no? It's a pattern, it's a key na pag nakita mo to may doji na candlestick, possible mag-reverse na yung market, or possible pag hindi siya nag-respect sa resistance, possible magka-create siya ng another price na tumaas pa siya and mag-breakout siya. Okay? So, marami kang ifa-familiarize when it comes to the patterns, the movement of the candlestick, yung mga wick, and actually sobrang dami pa, no? And I have a question. Do you want an easier solution? Yes or no? Okay? Pero I hope natututo kayo guys ha. I hope natututo kayo. Okay? Now, if you want an easier solution, kasi I understand most of us gusto nang mag-jump start, no? When you say jump start, hindi na talaga yung tipong magse-search ka pa sa YouTube, 'di ba? Marami sa inyo dito nagse-search sa YouTube, 'di ba? Katulad ko din dati until such time na nalito na ako kung ano ba yung gagawin kasi lahat iba-iba din yung tinuturo eh. Now, guys, focus ka muna on this next part kasi I will discuss more here on the cheat codes, okay? Kasi I know for sure overwhelming yung pag-aaral ng Forex. Did you know for you to be an expert, it will take you at least 7 to 8 years. 7 to 8 years na 8 hours mo din ginagawa ang isang bagay. For you to learn Forex, at least 4 to 6 years. Now guys, ang tagal pa, I'm pretty sure sinasabi nyo sa utak na, ay, kailangan pala talaga ng time to. Yes, lahat po ng bagay kailangan ng oras para matuto tayo. But good news, kasi this time, medyo ipapa-jumpstart na natin. Hindi ko siya tinatawag na shortcut. Pero at least, kung sa baga, instead maglakad ka, this time nakasakay ka na ng motor or kotse this time. Alright? So, discuss ko lang muna sa inyo yung cheat code, guys. Pero, okay, yung background nito, guys, actually, nag-consider ako bumalik sa Forex trading kasi dahil dito. Okay? And small world, guys. Si Coach Nars, the man on the black polo, and si Coach Edsel, the one with the blue arrow, kilala ko sila. Si Coach Nars, he's my mentor sa digital ads na business ko. And si Coach Edsel, we are in the same business dati, no? The same industry kami. And I've seen Coach Edsel in his highs and his lows. Hindi siya mayaman, yumaman, tapos biglang bumalik sa hirap. Can you just imagine guys, 26 million lang naman yung naging utang niya dahil na-fail siya sa mga businesses niya. 26 million. Sinong may utang na 26 million dito? Congratulations kasi may chance pa. Alright. Kung may utang ka man ngayon, good news, kaya pang bayaran. 'Di ba? Na-interview kasi to si Coach Edsel, guys, and I was really amazed kasi sobrang yaman talaga nito, naka-Ferrari, EDSA Shanghalan na condo na sobrang mahal talaga. And I was really shocked when it happened to him. But nung interview siya sa RDR Talks, if you're familiar with RDR Talks, guys, sa mga negosyante, isa sa naging reason kung bakit talaga kumita siya at nabayaran niya lahat ng utang niya, it's because of forex trading. And small world, kasi magkakilala pala sila ni Coach Nars. Alright. So guys, anong nangyari? Okay? Si Coach Nars, inintroduce niya sa akin to, and actually at that time, I was also telling him a certain venture. So parang nag-exchange kami ng business plan that time. And initially, I was skeptical kasi sabi ko, napapagod na ako sa Forex. Bakit? Paulit-ulit na lang, ito, ganyan. But eventually, nung sinabi niya sa akin, MJ, nararamdaman ko yung nararamdaman mo. I've been there. And this time, ang maganda, may cheat code na. Hindi ka na babalik from basic kasi may mas level up na parang papadaliin niya na yung forex trading journey mo. And sabi ko, ano ba yan, coach? Tinignan ko and I was really amazed kasi sabi ko, wow, sobrang ano niya na, sobrang laking tulong niyan. And if that could help me, I'll try it. Subukan ko lang. At least baka kumita na naman ako ulit, no? So, to cut the long story short, at that time, guys, is sinubukan ko talaga. Sabi ko, coach, may tiwala ako sa'yo. Alam ko, hindi mo ko pababayaan. At least, tulungan mo lang akong ma-familiarize tong cheat codes para at least kumita din naman ako. Long story short, I am here right now, guys. Ako na yung nag-share sa inyo. And ano ba yung cheat code na sinasabi mo, Sir MJ? Etong nakita ko few months ago na pinakita ni Coach Nars, ito din yung ipapakita at isi-share ko sa inyo right now. Okay? Number 1, ano ba yung mga cheat codes? Okay? Number 1 cheat code, simple lang. We have the AI tools. Okay? We have the Manara Pattern Scanner. We have the robot trading na automated nang magti-trade sa inyo. Pa-type naman number 1 if you like AI tools. Ayan, thank you. Okay. Now, guys, kahit 'di ba may ChatGPT na right now, marami ng mga AI right now. It's also applicable in forex trading. Okay? Isa sa pinakamagandang AI tools natin na andito ngayon, guys, is what we call as Manara Pattern Scanner. Guys, naalala nyo kanina, ang dami nyo pang i-memorize. May mga doji, may mga butterfly, bat, cipher, dami pang i-memorize, i-familiarize kung anong patterns yung lumalabas sa chart. Okay? But with the help of Manara Pattern Scanner, itong AI na to, ito na yung tutulong sa'yo na siya na yung mag-a-analyze kung ano na ang nabuo na pattern. Okay? At magbibigay na siya ng signal kung kailan ka mag-i-entry, kailan yung stop loss, at yung take profit. Okay? Now, bakit siya maganda? Guys, remember, okay? Ang problem kasi sa forex trading is mahirap, 'di ba? Sabi dito, the problem is that these patterns are rare and difficult to be identified, especially by non-professionals. Kung wala ka pang ka-idea, nako po, mahirapan ka talaga. But the good news is, if you're familiar with harmonic patterns, it will help you become a profitable trader with success ratio of over 70%. Yes, you heard it right. Kung meron kang app, kung meron kang AI tool na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo na mag-assess kung anong pattern to, good news kasi possibility yung win rate mo is at 70% na. Okay? For forex trading, guys, mataas na yung 70 to 80% na win rate. Okay? Now, dito guys, imagine, harmonic patterns are often highly accurate and 85% of the time, no, tama yung forecast niya pag gumagamit ka ng mga pattern scanner or ina-assess mo yung mga charts. Okay? So this is Manara, guys. We have this. Meron na siya na yung mag-guide sa'yo. Alright? And perfect result for this Manara pattern scanner that we have, no, na na-share din sa community natin. Ito guys, kumita lang naman ng $1,300 dahil sa tulong ng Manara AI pattern scanner natin. Okay? Meron tayo dito, ito din, grabe, sobrang taas ng lot size. Trader na talaga to. Can you just imagine, in just one day, kumita lang naman ng 238,000. Pwede na ba? Sino dito choosy pa? Ako guys, okay na ako. Yung 238,000 na yan, siguro ilang buwan na paghirapan ng normal na empleyado yan sa Pilipinas. Dito, isang gabi lang, isang araw lang. Ito, execution din sa Manara guys. Set and forget. Guys, that person, si Coach Gio, he's very young, 25 years old. Sorry, kaka-26 niya lang. Earned 234,000 in one day because of Manara AI pattern scanner. And alam nyo background niya guys, ano lang naman siya, dati siyang seaman. Imagine, 26 years old, very young, kumikita ng at least 100,000 per day. Ngayon, di ba, sa picture na yan, kumita lang naman siya ng 222,000. Seaman, 26 years old. Imagine mo, ilang sakay niya pa sa barko yan, di ba? Talo niya pa yung kapitan sa kinikita niya ngayon. Grabe. Kaya sobrang na-amaze ako at dahil yon sa AI na pattern scanner natin. Okay? Now, if you're the type of person as well, na busy ka or habang nag-aaral ka on how to do it, good news guys, kasi meron tayong Wealth Gainer AI, okay, na stress-free automated trading na. Okay? Na all you need to do is maglagay ka lang ng capital, at least up to 10 to 15% monthly gains tayo dito. Safe to say guys safe to say at least kahit mag 5% ka lang, 5 to 10%, safe to say kasi depende kasi ito sa market condition din. Safe to say, let's just say 5%, up to 5% per month ka lang. Meron kang extra na pera, why not instead sa bangko mo ilagay, dito na lang, 'di ba? Pero again, invest what you are willing to lose, okay? So, dito guys, walang pahirapan. Lagay mo lang yung pera mo diyan, automatic yan na yung magte-trade para sa'yo. But good news, hindi mo ibibigay yung pera sa anyone sa community. Dun po sa regulated broker, okay? With over 1 year proven performance, for 2024 alone guys, ito yung projected na, or sorry, not projected, ito yung data na nakuha natin sa Wealth Gainer na AI natin. And right now, it's averaging around 7 to 10%. At least safe to say 7% per month. Okay? So not bad. Imagine, habang nag-aaral ka mag-trading, at least may tumatakbo na din na income at profit through the AI, Wealth Gainer AI natin. Okay? So, isa pa lang yun guys Number 2, okay? We have this what we call swipe to trade. Ito yung pinaka-latest natin na feature guys sa Academy, sa Iconic, na meron tayong app, okay? You can download it sa App Store, Google Play. Yung mga educators natin guys is not only Pinoy These are foreigners and these are how do I say this? Mga batikan na, magagaling na when it comes to forex trading. Guys, can you just imagine? Yung mga trades nila, nilalagay na nila sa app, automatically, all you need to do is swipe it, automatic, kung ano yung tinake nila na trade, makakopy mo agad-agad. Automatic dun sa broker, so sa platform mo. Let's just say you're using MT5. From Iconic app na swipe to trade, i-swipe mo lang yan, automatic connected na yan sa MT5 mo at you already perform what these educators perform during sa trading nila. Parang meron ka lang binabayaran na someone na magaling, na kopyahin mo lang yung trading nila. Parang ganun lang yung concept. Parang kinakopy mo lang yung trades nila. Would you like it? Na kahit busy ka, let's just say, hindi ka muna nag-Manara pattern scanner kasi nasa trabaho ka, nakita mo ngayon na may pinost si Coach Edris Mahmoud, no? Magaling to na trader, guys. Swipe ka lang. tapos may take profit na, may stop loss na, may trailing stop pa yan, kokopyahin mo na lang. Alright? So, ang ganda. Kasi hindi ka na masyadong mape-pressure. At the same time, pag free ka na, doon ka na din mag-aaral on your own sa manual trade. 'Di ba? So, it's combined of a manual and combined of a copy trade as well. Okay? Number 3, mayroon na din tayong academy, guys. Basic Forex, Advanced, Masterclass. Bakit maganda to? Again, guys, I've been there. Sino dito mga nag-YouTube? Marami ka nang ino-open, nalito ka na lang sa sobrang dami, di mo na alam kung ano yung anong strategy yung talagang gagawin mo sa sobrang dami mo nang napanood. Dito guys, again, hindi lang siya shortcut but mayroon siyang foundation. May basic to advanced na videos na papanoorin mo. At you know what? Good news, may quiz pa yan after. Basically guys, para ka lang talagang nag-enroll na ang course mo is forex trading, 'di ba? Kasi hindi to accessible sa atin which is unfair, 'di ba? Sa mayayaman meron to, pero sa atin wala kasi sobrang mahal ng mga courses na to. 'Di ba? Right now it's already available. Okay? Now, meron pang mga masterclass, pipili ka na lang diyan ng mga educators na papanoorin mo na magla-live talaga sila, magdi-discuss sila on how they do it. Okay? And we have Edris, yan, si Abdallah, si Jessica. Si Abdallah guys, very, very, famous sa Instagram din. He's an economist for 20 years. And matagal na din na trader. And he's part of us. These educators have really sobrang tagal at sobrang ganda na background when it comes to forex trading. Kaya napakaswerte natin. Alright? And last but not the least guys, one of the best things na I love about the cheat codes, dito din ako profitable, it's the live trading. Okay? We're in every night, 9:30 p.m. sa Philippines time, may master trader in the name of Abdallah Harfouch, okay? Na 10 to 15 minutes lang nagla-live siya na all you need to do is follow his advice. Pag sinabi niyang sell, mag-sell ka. Pag sinabi niyang buy, mag-buy ka. 'Di ba? Ako dati kasi, I'm very hungry for offline. Sabi ko, ayaw ko. Dati, I'm not considering online when it comes to forex. Sabi ko, malabo naman yung online. Pero mas naging accessible siya kasi napakahirap kaya yung offline. Magkikita kayo, gagastos ka pa. Dito na lang sa online, 'di ba? Sasabayan mo na lang yung master trader. Dati kasi sabi ko, dapat sabay tayo, ganito, ganyan. Dito, sa online na lang, ang dali-dali na. 'Di ba? And ito yung perfect example guys, yung video.
Oh my God, magbabay na
So guys, kahit walang experience dito sa forex trading, as long as sasabay ka ng Abdallah, sasabihin niya kung sino na, para one by
Yan. So, as in guys, all you need to do is copy or listen to his trades. But good news is, hindi po siya necessary na makikinig ka lang. May training din po si Abdallah na ini-explain niya how he takes the trade. May rationale siya, may training siya. Di ibig sabihin na makikinig-kinig ka lang. No, may rationale siya. Okay? Ituturo niya kung paano din siya nagtitrade para makasabay ka din ng maayos sa kanya. Okay? Now, aside from that, meron pa tayong bonus. When you say bonus guys, actually, pagka-pasok nyo sa academy, ready na lahat. Pero good news, meron pa tayong mga Zoom webinars headed by Coach Nars, our founder, na talagang tinatakal niya pa lahat ng mga kailangan pag-usapan when it comes to trading with our chart mastery na Tagalog siya at pwede ka talagang magtanong. Okay, so more of Filipinos, marami sa atin from Canada, Australia, US, Middle East, meron din Philippines. So, grabe. You know what? Lahat ng yun guys, lahat ng yun nakatulong dito sa journey ko na mas naging confident ako, mas naging tumaas yung belief system ko na kaya ko pala kahit sa online lang. Kaya ko pala basta talagang may community lang din na nakasupport sa akin at may academy din. Okay? Now, question, Sir MJ, lahat ng yun, can I get it for free? Guys, I have to be honest, wala na pong libre sa panahon ngayon. Okay? Wala na pong libre, okay? You know what? If sasali ka sa mga forex trading dito, naku po, sobrang mamahal. Alam natin yan, no? Pero good news guys, anyone can do it. If you just invest in yourself, okay? Just like Sir Eman, dito ako na-challenge. Nung nakita ko to si Sir Eman, he's 66 years old. Alam mo, pinakamalaking kinita niya na alam ko ha, nasa around 300,000 if hindi ako nagkakamali sa isang gabi lang. Retiree. Instead maghanap ng business, tinutukan si forex business niya o si forex trading. Imagine niyo guys, kumikita lang naman yan ng at least 10,000 per day. Mababa na siguro yung 100,000 ni Sir Eman in a month. But can you just imagine kung mas bata pa tayo kay Sir Eman, anong meron sa kanya na wala sa atin? Na dati guys, can you just imagine, nagsusulat pa yan kung paano i-open ang website, paano i-open ang MT5, as in sinusulat-sulat niya pa yan. Ibig sabihin kung kaya niya, kaya mo rin. Kaya din natin. Okay? Dito guys, sabi dito, it's confirmed 120% signal provider reliable. Kahit hindi na nga 120% kahit 70-80%, that's good. No? So marami dito, si Abdallah din guys, nagpo-post din yan ng mga results niya. And eto, perfect. Si Miss Jedalyn, no? I hope nandito si Coach Jed tsaka si Coach Jimro, no? Kasama natin from UAE. Imagine guys absent ako dahil pumuputok ang ubo, pero trade is life. Pang-isahang buwan na din na profit ko in not more than 4 hours, $744. Imagine, $42,000, 42,000 pesos lang naman in just 4 hours, guys. Okay lang ba sa inyo 'yun? Habang nagtatrabaho, at least on the side pwede ka pang kumita. Pwede na ba? Ayan, ito, Manara sir, confirm sa chart, kumita ng $1,200. Alright? Lahat ng ito guys, the AI tools, the swipe to trade, the ECA videos, the live trading, at yung mga chart mastery, lahat ng yan guys, in a formal forex class, you need to pay at least 70,000 to 400,000. But good news guys, you will not pay it at that much anymore. You know what? To compare, by the way, share ko lang guys, right now we are connected with Iconic. This is the Academy, Forex Academy na we're connected. They're already established. It's a US-based Forex company. So, yung headquarters nila is nasa California. Napakadaming countries right now na talagang very open to this academy guys. And we are right now in INC 5,000. So isa sa pinakamalaking growing educational company, no, when it comes to forex trading, crypto, meron din sila, and mga stocks. All right? So very very nice, very very good talaga yung ginawa nila na academy, no? So guys, again, instead of paying at least this much, guys, magiging ano na lang siya. Okay? For 1 year, you will pay only $999. Sir, ano ba yung kasama? Lahat na. The AI trading, the Manara, the ECA, the VIP signals, yung live sessions, lahat na. But if gusto ka ng 6 months lang, pwede din $645. Alright? So 6 months, $645. For 1 year, meron ding $999. Plus, may bonus pa sa chart mastery, may VIP community, may group coaching, tsaka may scalping strategy pa. You know what guys, this bonus pa lang, yan siya guys, 30,000 na yan kung tutuusin. Pero libre na yan pag nag-enroll kayo sa $999 or sa $645. And good news, you can pay using your credit card, no? Wow, credit card. Nung sinabi sa akin ni Coach Narsto credit card, yun yung una kong naisip talaga. Tsaka pwede din debit card, okay? Now, pwede din crypto. You can pay through crypto as well, okay? So guys, good news, okay? Kasi alam ko for some, coach, medyo, or sir, malaki naman yan, or hindi ko kaya pa at the moment. Guys, I have to be honest and transparent with you, ha? Dati po, naka-attend ako dito sa Philippines in Cagayan de Oro. Pinaka-basic nila na payment is 80,000. Kasi bakit? Kung kikita ka ng 100,000 isang araw, 200,000, nako yung 80,000 mo na babayaran na yun. Sulit naman yun. Pero yun lang is at least 1 week pupunta ka pa ng Makati. Dito guys, 999, isang taon mo nang aaralin. Diyos mio, Marimar, kung hindi ka pa nakabawi niyan, hindi ka pa natuto niyan, ewan ko na lang, 'di ba? Pero you need to understand, nagbayad ka nga ng mahal sa college tuition fee mo. Nagbayad ka nga ng sobrang mahal na plane ticket para lang makapag-abroad. Again, don't look at the risk, look at the reward. Okay? But good news, bakit? Okay, kung di talaga kaya, may good news naman tayo. O ito, sample nito guys. Yung iba nga almost the same din yung ino-offer. At least nasa 1,499. 1 month lang 'yan. Plus may monthly subscription pa na $99. But again, good news. Bakit? Kung hindi talaga kaya, you can consider enrolling to $199. Guys, si $199, this is an Elite Pro. Meron na lahat. Actually, may Bluetooth pa to in addition. Now, good news kasi you can try it for 1 month. Again, the $199 is 1 month. Tapos may monthly subscription ka na 149 monthly subscription. $149 guys, just to be transparent, okay? Coach or sir, kung di ko pagpapatuloy yung second month, third month, okay lang, walang problema. Actually dito, kung susulitin mo lang talaga, marami na naman 1 month kumikita na dito eh. But for Elite Pro Emerging, the $179 ang maganda din dito guys, this is for emerging countries eh. Yung mga US, Canada, mga established countries na, $199 talaga sa inyo guys. But for the Philippines, may mga Africa, may discount kayo. Kaya naka $179 lang siya. Pero $129 lang yung monthly subscription. Sir, what if mag-try lang ako ng 1 month? Pwede ba? Yes, pwede. Okay? Again, kung gusto mo lang mag-try ng 1 month, ayaw mo nang ipagpatuloy, parang Netflix lang siya guys. Okay? Ayaw mo nang ipagpatuloy, pwede siya. Pero guys, again, why hold on to that kind of mindset? 'Di ba? Alam mo, nothing wrong with that. Pero guys, alam naman natin kung anong pwedeng aralin natin. This is something na hindi pwedeng nakawin sa atin, na pwede pa nating ituro sa anak, sa apo, sa pamangkin, sa kapatid. 'Di ba? Alam mo, maraming yumaman dito. Ba't ka mag-hold back? 'Di ba? Now, may bonus pa. Kasama pa yung bonus. May chart mastery, may community, may group coaching, may VIP signals, may scalping strategy pa. Again, everything is already there. Okay? Screenshot, pwede nyo i-screenshot to. Okay, screenshot nyo muna guys ha. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? Now, what's gonna happen to you? Okay? Now, simple lang guys. Message the person or the page na nagpapasok sa inyo sa Zoom, message nyo lang ng I joined the webinar. Okay? Just message them, I joined the webinar. And also, for those people na wala ka pang extra, no? Or mag-observe ka muna, feel free to message the page or the person na I joined the webinar para ma-add ka sa GC. Para at least, kung mayroon tayong mga free gatherings and good news mamaya, i-announce ko din. May mga free tayo na mga webinars, you can join and learn for free. But for those who are serious, guys, don't hold back. Just wanna share with you MJ, ano ba yung ginawa mo nung nag-start ka? Alam mo, nangutang lang din ako. And I wouldn't be shy. May credit card, yung girlfriend ko. Sabi ko pa, utangin mo muna ako. After 1 month, bayaran ko yan. Okay? Now, honestly guys, it paid off. I can remember that time we were in Dear Joe sa Cagayan, si Coach Nars, dun pa yung credit card, in-input ko. Lord, ikaw na bahala. Basta matuto ako, okay na. And I'm glad because I get to know the community. Sobrang exciting, no? You learn from other people as well. And what's gonna happen to you if you subscribe? Ano yung pwedeng mangyari sa'yo dito? Simple lang, 'di ba? Yung $199 mo, kaya mong kitain yan dito eh. Hindi na siya issue. Okay? Kung negativity yung yung negative side yung mangingibabaw, sasabihin mo ay sayang naman. Pero on a positive note, guys, pwede mong kitain just like this si Sir Jerome, nabawi niya na agad. 'Di ba? Kumita siya ng $149. Can you just imagine? Meron pa dito $2,000. Eto si Ma'am Marichu, eto na-challenge talaga ako. Bakit Manara yung specialty niya? Manara kasi marami, 'di ba? Yung iba kasi ako medyo profitable ako sa Abdallah eh. Si Miss Marichu from Cebu, sumali siya ng last week of December. Did you know guys, she earned lang naman around 90,000 pesos dahil po dito sa Manara on her first month. But right now, ito na yung kinikita niya. Alam mo, sobrang na-amaze ako. Nasa security agency siya nagtatrabaho. Nung kumita siya, alam mo unang ginawa niya? Binayaran niya yung lahat ng tuition ng anak niya. And it really helped her out. When we met first time sa Cagayan de Oro, sabi ko, grabe, no? Kung kaya ni Miss Marichu, I believe she's around late 40s na ata. Kung nakaya niya, bakit hindi ko kaya? 'Di ba? Sabi ko, pwede pa. Kaya talaga. No? Eto, kumita lang naman ng 1 million in 1 month dahil sa trading din. Dahil sa community. And isa pa guys, even si Senator Manny Pacquiao is also part of
taking
our
punches from
community.
great
He
boxers.
believes in forex trading as well.
And I've also taken punches from life. I grew up with no house, no land, and no food. We had to work every day just so we could eat. As a young boy, life knocked me down, but it didn't knock me out. Years later, I became world champion, and I made it part of my mission to help others financially so they can build a better future. And that is why I am partnering with Economy so you can rise to greatness through the power of trading. Experience a change of life with Economy.
Alright. So guys, grabe no, even our Senator Manny Pacquiao also believes in financial education talaga. Alright. Yan. Alright. So, question, you still want to earn in trading, no? But, ayaw mong mag-invest sa sarili mo. Sir, turuan mo na lang ako mag-open ng broker's account, ganito, ganyan. Ako na bahala. Guys, ito lang yung reminder ni former president sa inyo.
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
Guys, I tell you, ito kasi yung mali natin minsan eh. Gusto natin, again, yumaman, kumita ng mabilis, malaki. We just wanna skip the process. Guys, I tell you, walang kakahinatnan dyan. Mauubos at maubos ka lang. Para ka lang nagsusugal niyan. Pumapasok ka sa forex trading, wala kang alam. Nangyayari dyan, hula-lisis. Hula-hula lang. You know what? 95% of the new traders fail. Because number one, insufficient education and knowledge. Again, walang alam. Naku po. Okay, good news guys. Good news. Because this coming April 24 to 25, we will have another or just message the person na or the page para masali ka sa GC. Hindi pa to final ha. Pero sana makasama ka. It's a 2-day challenge Forex for beginners. And sa lahat ng andun sa GC, free kang makaka-attend nito. Okay? So, message the person or the page na nag-send sa'yo ng Zoom webinar na to or ng link na to na I joined the webinar. Okay? Last but not the least, and I'll entertain questions, invest in yourself as much as you can as you are your own biggest asset by far. Guys, remember, nagpunta ka ng abroad, dala-dala mo yung sarili mo. Nagtrabaho ka, yung punan mo sarili mo. Nag-aral ka sa college, punan mo sarili mo by the help of the Lord. Of course, si Lord talaga lahat yan. But yung biggest asset mo is yung sarili mo. You need to at least give value sa sarili mo. 'Di ba? Kailangan mong mag-invest dito para mas lumaki pa yung bulsa mo. Okay? Kasi never kang nakakita ng successful na tao na hindi nag-i-invest dito. Never talaga yan. Okay? Hindi pwedeng sipag lang, trabaho lang, no. Kailangan ng tamang diskarte. Kailangan ng tamang investment sa sarili para may mga bago kang matututunan sa buhay para mag-unlock din ng mga bagong bagay sa buhay mo. Guys, don't hold back. Magkano lang naman yung $199? Sir, napakalaki nun. Guys, question, magkano cellphone mo? 199, mga nasa around 11,800. Baka mahal pa yung cellphone mo. Ang tanong, kumikita ka ba dyan? Baka mas mahal pa yung sapatos mo. Iba-iba tayo ng trip sa buhay. But eto guys, don't make it as an excuse na merong puhunan or merong payment for enrollment. Sorry, not puhunan ha. Payment for enrollment. Kaya hindi mo kayang gawin. Kasi for the last time, please, wag mong gawing excuse na wala kang pera. Alam ko kaya mong hanapan kung na-appreciate mo at naintindihan mo na yung pag-enroll mo dito is magkano din yung kayang ibalik sa'yo. Alright? So I hope may na-share ako sa inyo tonight. Thank you so much. I'll entertain questions kung may mga tanong. Okay? Okay. Tingnan natin guys. Wait lang ha. May questions ba? Scroll up muna tayo. Baka may mga na-miss out ako. Guys, you can ask questions ha. Feel free to ask questions. Okay. Meron dito nagtanong. Okay. Now, sir, iba pa ba yung puhunan sa trading at yung enrollment? Yes, different pa po yun. Okay? Sa capital sa puhunan po sa trading, ito po yung program natin. On the first 1 to 2 weeks, huwag ka munang mamuhunan sa trading mo. Mag-enroll ka muna. Okay? Enrollment first, tapos step-by-step process. Okay? May iba pa dito sasabihin, mag-aaral muna ako, sir, bago ako mag-enroll. Huwag kang mag-aral. Kaya nga mag-i-enroll ka para dito ka na mag-aral at ma-jumpstart na yung journey mo kasi may cheat codes na. Okay? Para ka lang nag-academy. Okay? Hindi ka magbibigay ng pera dito to invest but your enrollment, that's your payment. Okay? Now, ang gagawin natin dito once nag-start ka, on the first 1 to 2 weeks, demo account muna. Ano ba yung demo account? Okay, clarify ko lang. Live charts, it's the same as live account na nagtitrade ka. Live yung chart, live kang nakakapag-trade, pero yung money is demo, okay? Hindi totoong pera. At tuturuan ka namin kung paano gawin yun. Ayos ba tayo doon? But if you are confident already on the second or on the upcoming weeks, okay? Third week, fourth week, go ahead, okay? Walang problema yon. You can start for as low as $100 to $200. Yun yung suggestion namin. Okay? Ayos tayo doon ha. Alright. Now, okay, tama po sila. Mag-trade as scam. Okay. Normal yan ha. Yung mga scam, please. Wala po tayong, hindi po tayo nagpapatrade dito ng pera ha. Enrollment yung pinag-uusapan natin. Okay? Okay. Sabi dito, yes, sa Bali, Indonesia, 70% of tourists there are working as trader habang nasa vacation. Wow. Alam mo, nung minention mo to, alam mo, every day, hindi na po kami nakakatulog ng partner ko. Kasi nag-iisip na kami where to go as digital nomad. Either Bali, Siargao, Palawan, Boracay. Alam mo yun, kahit nasan ka, nasa bakasyon ka, kumikita ka pa din. As in, every night, naghahanap kami ng place to rent. Right now, we're already setting that this year na magsistay kami sa isang place lang while doing forex trading. Diba? Ang sarap ng buhay habang nasa beach, nagtitrade ka lang ng 10 to 15 minutes, kumikita ka pa din. I would love to have that lifestyle. Okay? Alright. Ano pa ba question? Ano nga ulit yung Solex? Thank you. Okay. Thank you in advance, Coach. Makabayad ng back. Yes, probably sana ito na yung makatulong sa inyo. Si Solex po, it's an app, okay, wherein you subscribe. It's like the Instagram of our educators. Social media app niya na andun na po yung mga educators natin na you can follow as well, okay, para ma-update kayo. May recording ba? Yes, meron po. Pag nag-enroll po ba, sir, aral or kita na po? I love this question. Thank you, no? Guys, learn before you earn. The more kang naghahabol sa pera na kumita ka na agad-agad, lumalayo ang pera. The more you chase money, the more it's running away from you. Chase the learnings first. Aralin mo muna. Hindi ko sinabing mag-aral ka dito ng 6 months, 1 year. Okay din yun. Pero kung 1 month lang yung tina-target mo, that's good, no? Kasi in 1 month time, pwede ka na talagang matuto. Okay? So I hope I answered the question. Okay, si Manara is a tool that analyzes the chart and will give you yes, tama, Miss Christy, tama yung question mo. Pwede pong malaman ko anong recommended broker nyo po dito sa UAE. For UAE, we have VT Markets, okay, and Light Finance as well. But mostly kami VT Markets talaga. And yung platform po natin po is MetaTrader 5, okay? Sir, sa swipe, magkano po ang minimum capital? Wala pong minimum capital sa swipe to trade. You can even do it on a demo para makita mo talaga kung gaano ka efficient yung trades doon na tinitake mo. Okay? Thank you. How about kay Abdallah na live? What do you call that? That's live trading with Abdallah. Okay? So, sa website, sa portal ng Academy, all you need to do is access doon. Tapos automatically po, 9:30, may access ka lang doon, lalabas na si Abdallah. Every night yun, okay? So, ayan. Thank you. You still have questions, guys? Meron pa ba kayong mga tanong? 5 minutes and I'm done. Yung time for training okay, good question, sir, no? Sir June. Sa training po, okay, once you start, may step-by-step process na, okay? Sa academy kasi recorded na lahat eh. Okay? So you can do it at your own pace. Yun yung maganda, 'di ba? Ba't ka maghahanap ng may specific time? Lahat recorded na. Pero good news, okay? Meron tayong webinars every Thursday, Friday, Saturday that will cater to our questions as well. And may GC din naman tayo para kung may mga tanong kayo, you can raise your questions there so we can support the community. Pero hindi po tayo one-on-one ha. Baka sabihin nyo, sir, kailan ka ba bakante? One-on-one tayo. Guys, we don't do that. Okay? Kung gusto mo magpa one-on-one, may extrang bayad yan. Okay? We do group coaching. Okay? Kasi bakit lahat step by step na eh. Actually, there's no sense of the one-on-one pa kasi recorded na, susundin mo na lang paano mag-open ng broker, may tutorial video na, paano yung mag-trade, may tutorial video na, lahat, okay? Pero, never din po na sasabihin namin, pagkapasok mo, ikaw na bahala. No, we will assist you, okay? Magtutulungan tayo. You have to do your part, we will do our part as well. Okay ba tayo doon? Okay, so habang nag-aaral, may minimum capital na ba? Again, wala po. Okay? I suggest you do the demo account. Okay? So, sa swipe to trade, it will automatically place trades for you. Yes, tama po. Tama. Yes, magno-notify sila. Okay? Kasi may app. Okay? Bagong pasok pa lang ako dito. Gusto ko matutunan na sa Qatar. That's good, no? Seek the learning first. Please. Guys, okay lang ba i-correct natin yung mindset natin? Lalo na for us, Filipinos, I'm really concerned sa atin. May pera naman talaga ang Pinoy. Minsan nawawala lang talaga kasi gusto natin mabilis yumaman eh. There's no such thing as that, guys. Huwag niyong ilagay yung pera niyo sa mga bagay na mabilis at malaki agad-agad. Ang ending nawawala, nasusunugan ka, nasa-scam ka, 'di ba? Kasi kasalanan din natin eh. Sorry to say this, but guilty din ako diyan. Kaya I've learned my lesson. Let's learn our lessons here, guys. Wala nang masascam kung walang magpapascam. 'Di ba? Ituturo ba itong 4 na to sa training? Yes. And meron na ding recording nito, guys. Meron na step by step. Sa Manara naman po, it's accurate time po ba sila magbibigay ng signal, especially sa ibang country? Guys, you can access it anytime, depende sa country nyo. Also, depende din sa currency kasi as long as meron pang market, pwede ka namang magpunta doon sa Manara kasi naka-base yun sa trading view. So, as long as there's market movement, you can still access it. Okay, dito po sa KSA, pwede ko matutunan bago pa lang. Yes, pwede po. Again, guys, it's an online academy na merong additional community na online din. And magkikita-kita po tayo sa Zoom. Alright? So, guys, again, last na lang siguro to. I still have 2 minutes to wrap it up. You can do the monthly, you can do the 6 months or the yearly. But whatever it is, okay, seek the learning. Kasi guys, yung matututunan nyo dito, forever nyo na yung nakasink in sa utak nyo. Na hindi na mananakaw yung skill na yon, na you will know and you will learn how to trade already. Huwag nyong damutan yung sarili. Huwag nating damutan yung sarili natin sa mga bagay na pwedeng mag-unlock ng mga level up na bagay sa buhay natin. Again marami tayong ginagastos, may mga priorities tayo, I believe so. Pero guys, tingnan mo yung reward. Kung matututo ka dito, kumita ka ng at least 100,000 or let's just say 5,000, 10,000 in a day, safe to say or extrang 50,000 a month. Yung extrang 50,000 a month dahil sa forex trading, would that be a good help or big help sa buhay mo, sa pamilya mo? For sure, yes. And consider that, wag mong tingnan yung ilalabas mo. Tingnan mo yung posibleng babalik sa'yo pag natuto ka na dito. Alright? So, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng andito. Please, kung gusto mo nang mag-enroll, congratulations ahead. Welcome ahead sa'yo. Again, message the person or the page na nag-send ng link sa'yo na you wanna enroll, and if you wanna join the GC, message I join the webinar. Alright? So maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. God bless us all. Ingat po kayo. Maraming salamat po. To God be the glory.